Hey, let's do this one last time, yeah? For real this time. Listen, my name is Miles Morales. I was bitten by a radioactive spider, and for like 2 days, I've been the one and only Spider-Man.
I got 100 on my dash, got 200 in my trunk. Name in the grab bags, put my Bible in the trunk. Taco Fiker on the top of my binocular, I'm drunk.
Oh, come on.
Well, this has been
Who are you
fun.
talking to?
But I really gotta wrap this
Are you
up.
gonna be a while? Because I can't.
First, watch you when you walk inside your house. You threw your briefcase alone the couch.
Now, white people, I'm here, guys, and today, guys, I just wake up and say make a vlog because I been a vlog fan last week, but the vlog never did a vlogging because the clips them did us. I never liked them, and every video me come back, me keep on attack more and better video. And guys, me keep on media tilt me head like this because the thing is now the light what me normally use, this one, it mash. Make it pretty good. Alright, this is a light I usually use in mashup. In mashup, it just now, I don't know how to do it for real. So I go up on TikTok and I search up, like, I use back camera now, man. I look at back camera all the time. So I really don't know how I be looking at back camera. So I kind of know, I find one up where I can share the screen them, so I can see how I be looking. Through my iPad. So guys, we keep on forget for this. It's your boy Roadkid here, and I'm back again with another video. And today, guys, I'll be doing like a productive. Yeah, I'll be becoming a productive JUVII today, guys. Something like that. I don't know. Something of the sort the title will be like. For me, I feel like being productive just kickstart everything because like this is so much. I have to be using multiple lights, guys, because I don't be looking right. Look at that. Look at this. I have to be using multiple lights. I don't like how me look ass, me even hairline. You see like when I have hairline, my face looks so fucking weird. I'm fat, yes, but my face look fatter without the hairline, believe me. I'm not cap. So as I'll be saying now, I feel like being productive for me kickstart a new setting because me kinda lazy lay back and all of that. Right now I'm gonna go to anime, but I said let's get productive. Today, guys, I was gonna do a 7-8. What time it is? I was gonna do a 7 o'clock something productive day in my life as a JUVII or whatever, something like that. But however, it's about 6:40. The people them like. However, it's currently 6. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 6:46 a.m.
Yeah, guys, it's 6:46 a.m. and I'm here, guys. But it's supposed to be 7, so I'm just making an intro right now because I feel motivated and something more word that I can't find the word, but the word there, I feel that type of way there right now, and I really want to feel, if you get to me, I say. And I don't know what I'll be doing because I'm literally a homebody boy. I really don't go nowhere. I don't leave my house. I don't go outside. I even don't even leave my room though, for sure. But yeah, I go watch some anime. I don't even know if I'm watching any anime, but kind of like anime. It's like the only thing keep me like chilled because I'm kind of been stressed out and riled up a bit lately. Me just a fidget, y'all. Me not even know what I do. Me not feel comfortable on the camera again. Me can't keep my body calm. I can't be calm anymore, y'all. Me need to get used to back to the camera, get back the light active because I'm not bother use nobody. Me can't bother feel bar people phone. Forget the light here, so because I don't know for real. But y'all just have to stay tuned. And I don't really think I have to be like, what's up, guys, it's Roadkid here, guys. The whole world's supposed to be knowing me by now, I think. I don't know. So guys, me just go brush my teeth right now. I'll go back in a bit because I don't know, I like how my mouth is. So yeah, I'll be brushing my teeth about now and bucket on my bed. I mean, no, I'm not going bucket on my bed, guys. I'm gonna be productive. I'm gonna make some coffee or something. Well, y'all will be know what we're doing. So, I kind of want longer videos, so I kind of like express more to y'all. I don't want to put my life on this shit, but I need to like cut the yapping now and go get the day started or get the vlog started because I don't even know. But I was planning to take out my hair today because it's been like a week, but my mother say to me say if me take out I give me money for the no more head, and if me not get no more money for the no head, my head can't do. Cause she give me money for the my head, she give me money for everything. And I get the gist. That's the money. That's where the money come from. Half it, but she said I should leave it in for like 1 more week because I wanted to. I only got. Wait a minute. So went free guys, Rude Kid back again, and here guys, wait, let me fix my hair guys, yeah, this crazy. Rude Kid back again y'all, and right now, I'm gonna wash. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 12:36 p.m.
So guys, it's 12:36 p.m. I haven't picked up the camera for like, from after 9 today, and I haven't done that, and I'm trying to be productive today. So I don't really do a lot today. I just be here in my bed. So right now I'm just gonna go get my clothes washed up. I have a few dirty pieces of clothes. I haven't worn a lot of pieces of clothes. I just been wearing marina underpants or marina shorts or whatever, because as I said before in like the start in our other videos, I am kind of a homebody. I really don't go nowhere, do nothing. I just be in my bed all day. Is that my fault? Anyways, I'm gonna go get my stuff washed up, then come back, get my room clean out. Clean out for real, I swear. Get my room clean out. After I get my room cleaned out now, then my figure out when I go the next. And I'm gonna put the to-do list up on the screen right here because I haven't done so yet, and I've been thinking that the videos are getting a bit longer because I'm gonna do stuff today. I will do stuff today, and if y'all do know, I am a coffee person, but I haven't had any coffee in a while because the coffee done. I may never go buy in a box milk, and I can't drink the tin the condensed milk. I can't drink the condensed milk with my coffee. Y'all crazy. Anyways, right now, as I said this morning, I did use my iPad. I made my iPad screen because I think we didn't need my iPad to look productive and aesthetic to start the day because I really haven't done anything to it, so I did that. And now I am vlogging on my iPad because my phone is overheating and I wanted to see the quality if I could start vlogging on it more often. And guys, I'm alone to the fly doesn't go cross. Anyways, I think the quality is kind of quality, but we all don't know yet. But we'll see. Anyways, I'm gonna get the clothes washed up and get my room cleaned out. I really don't think while adding the clothes in the machine that I will be talking much, but I know for sure that it will be a montage or something like that, something of this sort, because we can't bother. And I don't really looking for chat boy, you see me? But y'all just have to just So beard me, I'm trying to be productive. As I said before, I'm a homebody boy. I don't leave my bed none time. I be in my bed all day doing nothing. And I need to go take a shower too. So that's the one thing I need to get done today. The thing is now, as I said, I normally wake up like early and bathe or something. But today, yeah, last night, man, I tell you, but you can wake up early and go back on my bed and wake up again. So, me never like motivated. So me just say I can take up the camera and try to be like productive. Cause when me put my mind to say I can vlog, probably me have more motivation to get up and do stuff. I think I'm talking too much now, y'all. So I'm gonna stop the yapping and get the video done. Me chat too much, oh fuck. Ugly too. I do look fat now, but when I trim I look slim. I mean, my mother come here. She say, "Wait, me now." Mom? Yes? You just right off. You just right gone.
Where gone?
No, ain't gone. You not. Jetty just right gone. Oh, must be with you or something. India tell me password. India, yes, mommy. India tell me password or something like that. 2 something. 201. I remember me, I call him. JT! Yep, mommy want the password, you know? Wait till I come. Your style, those are some of the things that fun time. What the password be? You know if you part the best, you can already best come out of there.
I don't know that better.
You say no, no.
When you say no password, how you got?
Probably not either. I tell you, I pay me, they put 0 upon you and you change it. I'm a big man. Talk.
What password be? I don't know. I don't think so. I don't know. You know long.
You say I have fingerprint on you, so you should get it out. Talk. You what? 20. Come get you change up on the 0.
Like when you make it black there?
2012. 2012. So?
Alright.
Yeah. So guys, that was mother. Alright, so guys, the machine don't wash. I'm gonna put out the clothes in my now. But the fan on, I had to fuck dog, I swear. And I'm gonna get my room clean up. No, I'm tired. But I don't know if I can do this a productive thing. Me tell you, like, the machine don't wash a long time. I didn't long back in my bed. Actually, after 1 now. But, I say I want to do the video, so I do the video. So pretend like, I never gonna leave up for like 130 minutes. Yeah, so let's get clean. I'm in the movie chair this morning because I'm going to vlog. I never like if you clean on camera. But I'm not going to leave back, I swear. But we just go move the camera, show you guys when I spread the bed. That much I will do for sure. And the rest of camera. So yeah, I'll be back when I'm finished. I put down the hoodie because the marina have one stain. I'm in the for the day I see it. I'm in the scan go down on YouTube. Not today. Not today. Not today. So yeah. I'm not like I'm fan to please, you know. If you can't hear me come up with the video when I go for. Just like the video said yeah.
So can you come pick up your clothes? I had them folded. Meet me at the door. It's still open. I know it's getting cold out, but it's not frozen. So come pick up your clothes. I had them folded.
Go 5 seconds that I swear. I'm kind of hungry, but I'm gonna take a shower first because I'm kind of stink right now, and I'm being productive today, bro. So y'all know that goes. I have to do everything that I do normally be doing. Like we don't be like I one time I know me ever be in my life, and I first day in high school. One them time they normally buy one pack of wipes and wipe off my skin. I'm afraid of water, but today I'm being productive. I think I'll give bathing a try. So probably I have to buy somebody soap. But I think I have to because I wipe normally use beard. Taylor dog. A joke. But anyways, see the video. Me have more pillow, but then another pillow case. I mean, I put the pillow them for me without pillow case on this shit. Are crazy. So basically that's will be it. I'ma clean the rest off camera. It's not really a lot, but it's a lot. So I'ma do that shit off camera and get back to you. Guys, me lied a while ago. I just got plan for lazy run, but I'm so hungry. I'm about to put on some mac and cheese. I'm currently vlogging on my iPad, so if me look weird, I don't know why. I don't know what I mean here. It just turned me off. I'm gonna pull it out. So I'm gonna put on some mac and cheese for me and my brother, and then after I put on some mac and cheese, let's put on the onyx go bed, and then afterwards, I don't know, we get dressed and then we actually make mac and cheese. But it's like we go edit it so it look like they're the two separate things, not like one. Not like the two of them said time like me there do mac and cheese first, then me take a shower, then me eat. Okay, mac and cheese time, yeah. Fuck.
Bring that pussy over here. Bring that pussy over here. This pussy here don't play. This pussy here get head all day. This pussy here will nut in your face. This pussy here tastes like candy. Okay. This pussy real. This pussy real. This pussy here don't play. This pussy here will.
Alright, so guys, I couldn't find my bonnet. So currently I could take a shower right now because I'm currently stink, as I said before. I'm gonna go take a shower right this moment. Ponder. Okay, so I'm gonna go take a shower right away. Wow, beautiful. My favorite lotion, not more trim, but I'm not gonna miss my trim. Yeah, brother. So I'm gonna take a shower. Or nothing. I have to be probably go stream shot or go on Pinterest for something. Alright guys, so basically I end up drop asleep and it's about 9 o'clock in the night now. So I'm just going to my night routine at the end of the day. But the first different day, we did end up bed, and then we did go sleep. So I'm just going to do my night routine now, just a little face routine, wash my face and cleanse up. I don't even think I got all my products because I've been running out. As I said, I'm never going to do my hygiene because I swim back to school, but plus it's summer though, but as I said before, I'm running out a couple of products. New guys. My name can't call in a mix up. Alright, so first I'm put on this right here. Still, bro, still. Alright, so guys, firstly, I'm gonna like wash my face. Wait. So guys, firstly, I'm gonna go wash my face with some water. Just gonna make like me not really wash my face myself that way. Like so, then I'm gonna use some guys, may use some cream wash, like some cleansing wash. Guys, maybe I use this for a while now, and I tell you, bro, you need to get yourself one of these. It's like a bit of everything, but you know, say your body like how to put this now? Your face probably still a bit of sweat or something. I think I clean your face, and for those who in the AC, you know what I'm saying? When I clean your face, I wake up and I do much because the cool air and you know, whatever. You know, if you get what I be saying. I really don't want to prolong the video till about tomorrow. I wanted to do like more than one day. It's just because we have a different video for the other day. So if you know it good, know it good. So I'm just getting my face air dry. Kaka, no rings off good, but I say good. I don't know, so I'm gonna use this, you know. It's a toning solution or whatever I call it. You know what I call it. You know what I say? Yeah, good job, like one bit. Keep your face hydrated and toned out if you apply the big ingredient, you know.
I said it was my body ad.
And then after you add on this, you know, use some of this. Normally use some. This smells good though. It smells good. Yes, mom, wash them. Yes, mom, wash today. I'm gonna put them back out today. They didn't dry properly. Mommy, me have a vlog.
Alright.
And then, like, you don't need much. It's, I just think you have a set for yourself. Oh, and I'll also be using some of this. To me, you don't need much, you just need to like And then for final, you're gonna use some of this. And I hit in a hit, guys, you know. And I hit in a hit. So come on now. That's a lot. This is a lot, guys. I won't use so much. I already add some product on my face. So I won't use a lot. I won't use a lot though. This actually helped me beard grow. So I do use it there on my beard mostly. Okay, so I'm not really rub it in. I kind of pat it in a bit. Because I don't want to rub out for you. I just want to blend out a bit so it's easy for self dry. Yeah, like that. Yeah, bro. Then you get it. And off. So guys, that is it for my night routine, y'all. So y'all just like subscribe, share. Oh god, hope I don't touch this. Cream, guys. Hope you like, subscribe, share, and turn on your post notifications. See y'all sometime whenever. I post again, guys. That's how I know. Oh god. Rude out.